Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you're safe wherever you are. So yeah guys, you all supported me a lot. So my target was 200 subscribers and you all are amazing. I reached my 200 subscriber goal, and as I promised, I will be giving away Tony Stark stash, and since I got to 200 subs, there will be one extra Tony Stark stash giveaway that will be chosen by me. Man, you all guys are super amazing, and I am so happy that I finally reached that 200 subscriber goal. And keep supporting guys, and I will be giving away Tony Stark stash every month. That's my target, and my primary target is for free-to-play players, and I want them to be at least VIP 1, so that's my primary target. And yeah guys, I am really happy that you all supported, like so much love to that video. Over 200 views and around 118 comments. Superb guys. Keep supporting, and I will definitely not disappoint you by any means. So without further ado guys, let's choose the winner. So as I mentioned, the first winner will be chosen by that random picker, YouTube random picker. So it's luck based, so please guys don't get disheartened if you don't win this, and please support. You will definitely win one day. That's all I can say. So let's get the YouTube comment. I just put and we have 58 unique comments guys. So without further ado, let's start it guys. So yeah, let's see who is the winner, and we have Harjasan. So hail Hydra IGN Harjasan Singh. So harjasan@gmail.com. You will get the Google Gift Play card, and I will give you all the instruction that are needed how to redeem the code of Google Gift Card. So yeah, I am pretty happy that you are VIP 0 and agent level 82. So you are pretty new to the game. So I hope this helps you out, and yeah. So I would like to request you one thing, that as soon as you get your Google Gift Play card and you get the Tony Stark stash, please take a screenshot and send it into my Discord channel or anywhere to my personal message. I would love to share it with you all guys, that he finally became a VIP 1. So that is pretty amazing. Congratulations for that. So what we are going to do today is guys, we will be taking Magneto in some ABX action. We know that he is the meta for ABX Blast Mail Day, Blast Super Villain Day, and that he is pretty amazing and fun to play. So please note that guys, this is not my Magneto, and unfortunately I cannot share all the details with you guys because he is one of my friend and he just don't want to share anything regarding him. So it's pretty confidential, but I can say some details about Magneto. This Magneto, and that is all his stats are maxed out, like crit damage, attack speed, crit rate and dodge are maxed out. Also ignore defense and skill cooldown are maxed out. Not to mention he has a CTP of rage and a mythic uniform. So the rotation is pretty simple guys. You need to start with 2 cancel, 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5. As he rises up, cancel into the 1. Now Magneto is pretty I don't like, honestly guys, I don't like to play with Magneto because it is too much spamming and too much RNG is involved in Magneto. Like there is a lot of RNG involved in the ABX run while you are playing with Magneto, because he has pretty good amount of hits, but sometimes the rage proc doesn't activate at all, and that can surely ruin your run. And if you have a perfect run, you can get really good. So that was my friend's best score, 4.49, so almost like 4.5 million, and I would like to break that, so I get silenced here. So again, this is not the perfect run, and we all know perfect runs doesn't happen anytime soon. So perfect runs are a rare thing. So yeah, and I don't want to waste a lot amount of gold on this ABX. So yeah, I am not a very good player of ABX, but yeah, I can do some amount of ABX. Like my Magneto doesn't have a rage, and I use Captain America for this day, and I can get around 1.8 million. So yeah, that's a good score, decent score, and I'm not very highly focused on ABX. Now, I know many of you are thinking that I promise that I will be giving away one more Tony Stark stash if I get over 200 subscribers, and I will be doing that, guys, just in a minute. So yeah, I will be choosing, and I was pretty amazed that like many players are do not have many uniforms, and I can feel what is going in your mind, guys. Like, you want to have those uniforms but you do not have that many crystals, and that is pretty sad. So I gone through most of the VIP 0 IDs. Yeah, I am focusing on VIP 0, and I choose one winner out of that, and he definitely needed it, guys, because I saw his ID. He is definitely a VIP 0. He never bought any other thing, as I am assuming, and he is doing a really hard job upgrading his ID, and I got really impressed by his ID, because the decisions he is making is pretty good, and you will see why I chose him. So yeah, as you can see, guys, 4.6 million with Magneto in a pretty bad run. So I can definitely go 5 million in this ID, but I don't want to waste his gold and all that. Okay, guys, so now it's time to choose our second lucky winner for the Tony Stark stash giveaway, and he will get a Tony Stark stash from my side. And I am really happy that many players participated in this giveaway, and there were many VIP zeros, guys. I gone through each and every IDs, and yeah, guys, you definitely need some crystals and need some help. Unfortunately, not this time, guys, but you will definitely win one of my giveaway. That's my promise. And here is the winner, guys, Rahul Avasthi, and his IGN is GS7860. So let's check his ID first. So as you can see, he's sealed level 118, agent level 118. And first of all, cards. So yeah, you do not have very high of a cards. 27 all attack, 17 physical attack, energy attack 10, 25 ignore defense, and cooldown 23. Max HP is average. So yeah, you should definitely focus on cooldown, duration, and ignore defense, and after that you should be focusing on the all attack. So as you can see, guys, he's really good. Like, for 118 agent level, he has around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 tier 3s, and but unfortunately he do not have that many uniform, and I was pretty surprised by that, because he is definitely doing he's saving the crystals to get those packs, deluxe packs, and some good characters like Professor X. You can see here Professor X, Blue Dragon. Maybe he got Blue Dragon from the Agents of Warriors of the Sky event, but as you can see, he do not have that many uniform, and he is doing really good. Oh wow, he also have Nova, so definitely he is prioritizing his crystals on deluxe pack, and that is really amazing. He impressed me a lot, because the decisions he is making this early is really good, like White Fox and Wave. So yeah, you definitely know all the mechanics about the game. And I would suggest you should upgrade these characters, because these are dimension mission characters. So upgrade them to 6-star. You will get crystals from that. That is my primary tip. And yeah, you are doing really great, guys. And please, you have won the Tony Stark stash giveaway. So get your crystals and get Jean Grey's uniform. I would suggest Sharon Rogers, Jean Grey, Magneto, and Captain America should be your primary motive. You can also go for Black Widow. So my top 3 picks will be Jean Grey's uniform, Sharon Rogers, and Black Widow. So those will be my top 3 picks. After that, you can go for Magneto and others. So definitely you should improve your cards a bit, and you will be good to go. So yeah, guys, that's it. He is the winner. Please contact me personally, or I will send you a Google gift code to your Gmail, and it would be pretty amazing if you can share the screenshot of getting that Tony Stark stash. So here you can see, guys, these are some of the selected players that I chose, and yeah, man, I am pretty heartbroken to say that these guys did not won the giveaway, but but believe me guys, you are very high on my list. Please keep supporting and you will definitely be chosen in the next giveaway. And so let's have a target guys. So next month's target guys, let's go for 400 subscribers guys. Yeah, so if I got to 400 subscribers, I will again be giving away Tony Stark stats, and again if I get those 400 marks, one will be selected from my side. So yeah guys, share the video with your friends and keep supporting.